one thing that you may notice is that the path for Marco has been shifted off to the east pretty significantly, and that's because the models, as we've been saying, are still showing a lot of uncertainty in its eventual path, but you'll note that it has shifted and might possibly be by sometime Monday afternoon or Monday evening near the southeast Louisiana coastline, perhaps as a Category 1.
Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday, August 23rd. Time for another progress report. We had a real good week this week, good weather, and we were able to pour the remaining concrete outside for the driveway and the out front and the driveway on the side of the house where we're going to park the camper. So all the concrete work now is done, and it's in good shape. And up in the house, we've had some more progress up here too. The painters have been working real hard. As you can see behind me, we've got the some specialty colors here going on. We've got the island and the cabinet right over here. This one is kind of a teal color, and the lower cabinets are going to be gray, and then all the remaining cabinets will be white. And as a bonus, yesterday, Saturday, the granite guy came, and he went ahead and installed all the countertops for the kitchen and the two bathrooms. So all he has left right now is the island, and that's a special piece of stone. It's a kind of a real dark one that's real pretty, called Acadian Nights, I think it is, and it will be installed first thing Monday morning. So, like I said, we've had a real good progress week and good weather to do it, so we're real happy with that. We've got another good week coming if the hurricane doesn't slow us down. Granite guy's coming again, like I said, Monday to put the island in, and the painters will be back behind him to finish all of this cabinet painting, and then they're going to move on to the walls. So everything goes good with them. They'll be done by Wednesday of next week, and then the ceramic tile guy will move back in and finish out the bathroom floors and shower stalls, and then the floor guy will be right behind him, and we'll be finishing up with the electrician and the water. So we are very close. Contractor thinks we're probably 4 weeks away from completion, and so we're really excited about that. And in the meantime, we'll be watching this storm this week and praying for you guys over there. It looks like we may have dodged a bullet. We were worried that one of the storms was coming straight for our area, but then yesterday it changed course, and now it looks like you've got two of them going to New Orleans. So we'll keep you in our prayers, and we're gonna keep watching to see what goes on. We've already done our first stage preparations over here, so we are ready to move on to the next stage if one of these storms changes path. So until next week, y'all be safe, and we'll be in touch. See you later.